In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Trello in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a project, organizing work tasks, or simply streamlining your personal to-do list, Trello's Kanban boards are an excellent tool to visually manage and track progress. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Trello's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Trello's URL. Once you're on the homepage, if you're new to Trello, you'll want to sign up, but if you already have an account, let's get ready to log in. To log in, locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the login screen where you'll enter your username and password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Trello dashboard. This dashboard will show you all your existing boards and is the starting point for creating new ones. Next, find the Boards tab. This is typically located at the top of your Trello dashboard. Clicking on it not only showcases all your existing boards, but also gives you the option to create a new one. For this tutorial, let's focus on creating a new board. Once you're on the boards page, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently displayed, encouraging you to start something new. Click it and you'll be presented with a few choices on what type of board you'd like to create. Trello offers several templates to choose from, which can be a great starting point if you're not sure how to structure your board right away. For this exercise, we'll select the Kanban template. Kanban is a workflow visualization tool that enables you to see all the tasks involved in a project. By using Kanban cards on Trello, you can easily manage your tasks by dragging them into different columns as the tasks progress through stages like to do, doing, and done. After selecting the Kanban template, Trello will generate a new board for you, pre-populated with sample columns and cards. You can now start personalizing this board according to your needs, add tasks by creating new cards, and organize them within the columns that represent their current status. As you get used to this setup, feel free to adjust the column names or add new ones to better fit your workflow. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully set up your own Kanban board on Trello. This powerful tool will help you manage projects efficiently, keep track of tasks, and maintain a clear overview of where everything stands. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips like these, and happy organizing.